It's very easy to get infinite durability tools in Minecraft, and this even works with insane enchantments too, such as Efficiency 1000 and Fortune 1000. This works on both Java and Bedrock Edition. First of all, let's start with Java. First of all, if you want to give yourself an infinite durability pickaxe or an unbreakable pickaxe, you can type the following command on screen now. Now, you can customize this where I have diamond pickaxe to be whatever tool or whatever piece of armor you want. It can be any type and any tool or armor. So it works with axes, swords, chest plates, helmets, boots, etc. If you want to give it custom enchantments, this is the command you'll need. Now, you can change the enchantments and customize them to use whatever enchantments you want and whatever level you want for those enchantments as well, but just copy the command that is on screen. You can even customize it to change the name of the item and customize more attributes to the item as well. But as you can see, for this item, if I go into the inventory for both of these, it will say it's unbreakable, and for this one, it does also say that I have Fortune and Efficiency 1000, as that's what I gave it. But you can do any enchantment, you can do no enchantments, and you can do any custom level of enchantments as well. And again, this works for anything, any armor or any tools that you do want it to work for. Just customize the command for what you want. The only way to get unbreakable tools on Minecraft Bedrock Edition in-game itself is using command blocks. So this is really simple and easy to do. It's basically replacing the item if the player has the item. I'll show you the command in a second, but first of all, let me give you some examples. So this is a pickaxe. Now, if I mine these stone blocks, then the pickaxe will start taking durability damage. But after a set amount of time, you can customize a time for this. It will reset the durability of the pickaxe. So in this case, I went for 10 minutes. Now, the reason I went for 10 minutes here is purely because I have this to have an enchantment. But if you don't have an enchantment, you can have it reset a lot quicker. It's just, if you're going to do an enchantment, for some reason, you need to right-click or use whatever button it is on your platform to be able to get the enchantment back, because it's using the /enchant command. But if you don't do a custom enchantment, then you don't need to worry about having such a big delay. Just have like a 60-tick delay. And then also this does work with armor as well. Now, unfortunately, you cannot do an enchantment with armor because the /enchant command requires you to have the item in the hand. But this will work with armor. If I go ahead and I stand on this cactus with a chest plate on, as you can see, the chest plate does take durability damage, and then eventually it will go ahead and it will get replaced, and the chest plate will be brand new once again. So this is really simple and really easy for you to do. First of all, for the pickaxe, the first command block is repeat and set to always active, and it's /replace item entity, and then at A has item diamond _ pickaxe, location equals slot weapon dot main hand. Make sure you have all the dots and the syntax copied correctly, and then slot dot weapon dot main hand, and then 0 and diamond pickaxe. You can change it from diamond pickaxe to whatever you do want it to be. You can have whatever item or tool you want this to be, and it will work for you. And then what you want to do for the tick delay is have it to whatever you want it to be. If you want it to be like this one is to have an enchantment, then set it to be for 12,000 ticks or something similar to that. You could do it for half the time, or you could do it for longer. 12,000 ticks is 10 in real life minutes, or if you don't want an enchantment, just set it to 60, as that's 3 in real life seconds. And then get yourself a chain command block if you want the enchantment side, and then have the following commands. So this chain command block is set to always active, and it is also set to conditional. And the command is /enchant. At A has item diamond _ pickaxe. Again, you can change this to be whatever you want it to be. And then location, slot, weapon in main hand, and then the efficiency, and then 5, or whatever enchantment you do want this to have. You can do this on multiple enchantments as well. Just add them to the chain. Now for the armor. So this simply is one command block because you can't do the enchantments, and you can set this to be always active, and also it needs to be a repeat command block. So the command is /replace item entity. At A has item diamond _ chest plate, and then location, slot, armor, and chest. You can also change this to be any of the other types of armor for any of the other types of things, so like boots, I believe it's feet, and you can do it for the other armor as well if you do want to. And then slot.armor.chest, and then 0 and diamond chest plate. Once again, make sure that you do have the exact right slots names, and also make sure that you do have all of the has item stuff, because you need this for this to be able to work. And if you want to know how to get level 1000 enchantments on Minecraft Bedrock Edition, check out the playlist on screen. It has multiple guides for each of the different enchantments. I'll see you over there right now.